Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is fifth question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So supplementary angle is the angle when sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are supplement to each other. So हम assume कर लेंगे required angle is equal to x degree. से हम assume कर लेंगे. So हमें find out करना, find the angle which is equal to its supplement, means x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 upon 2. 2 से 180 cancel out हो जाएगा 90 टाइम. So x is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree is the angle which is equal to its supplement. Thank you.